Hey everybody, how y'all doing this morning? It's another hot one already out here in Northeast Texas. We're gonna go ahead and we're gonna get these 3D Moto side covers on the bike. It's a pretty easy job. It's pretty straightforward. Takes maybe about 20 minutes. Anyway, I hope you don't go anywhere. I hope you check us out, and please hit that subscribe button. And as always, thanks for watching.
All right, hit the pause button real quick. Here's a list of the things that you may need to do this quick installation. All right, first thing you're going to do is you're going to go ahead and spray the cases down with some kind of a solvent, degreaser, or cleaner, and let it sit for about 5 to 10 minutes. You're going to use just a hose. You don't need a pressure washer or anything like that. You're going to rinse off all your solvent and your degreaser. Make sure you get it all off. All right, I'm letting my bike run to help speed up the drying process. What I'm going to do is I'm going to wipe this case down. While it's drying, I'm going to install the stator side cover. That way it'll give this side an opportunity to dry thoroughly. All right, and here's the stator side cover. Now you notice this one is not a glued on unit. What you'll do is you will remove these two bolts right here, and that allows you to pull the cover off if you ever need to access the stator inspection plug, I guess is what you'd call it. And it's right here. So that's really nice. You're going to go ahead and you're going to take these two T27 ports out, place the cover on, and when you're putting this on, cinch it up slowly one side to the other like I'm doing here. This just ensures that you don't crack anything or you don't over tighten something. So just take your time. Okay, next is the clutch side. We're going to go ahead and make sure it's free of debris. We're going to set it on the case you're covering. You're going to take your ratchet strap or equivalent, and what you're going to do is you're going to strap this across this case saver cover. And when you tighten it down, once it's glued, it'll help put pressure against it so that you don't have any flex or anything like that. So, but we're not going to tighten this down just yet. We're just going to get it set. And once we put the glue on it, then we'll actually ratchet it down. All right, the other side's probably had plenty of time to dry. Let's go check it out and see if it's ready. The reason why I do this is because once you put the RTV sealant on it, you don't want to sit around and wait. You want to be ready to go. Back off the strap and we'll pull the cover and we will get our RTV and we will apply this RTV sealant. Believe it or not, it actually works as a pretty good adhesive. So I'm going to go along the edges. I'm about 1/4 inch from the outer edge. You're going to use the whole tube, so don't be stingy. Put a little bit on the flat surface areas and where the case is going to touch it the most. This is why it's important to use the strap to make sure it's held up tight against the case so it gets good adhesion. Go ahead and ratchet it down, paying close attention to where your strap is at. Check the placement of your strap, make sure it's nice and tight. Go ahead and give it a good thump. If it sounds hollow, then you need to tighten it down a little bit more. Otherwise, you're good to go. Go ahead and let it sit for overnight. Take the strap off like so, and voila, here you are. You're done. It's that easy, and it looks really good. I just want to give a shout out to Boris. Thank you for such a wonderful product. Have a good evening, guys. And again, thanks for watching.